All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. Wanted to jump on here and do a quick video. So we're over at my Faucet. Quick shout out. I got 16 team members. I just got a new one on this morning, so welcome aboard. I got some drip I want to hydrate. So we're going to do that real quick. But I wanted to talk a little bit about price action, the overall markets, and just some kind of overall concerns I have about the markets in general, including Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hydrate this bad boy. Compound success. All right, so I've got 216 deposits, and let's get over. So let's take a look here. This is the drip chart that we've been looking at. And as you can see, the price action, we've had a bit of a sell-off here, and it broke past this trend that I was hoping we were going to be staying in. And we're coming up on that 30 support area that seems to be holding here. But at any rate, folks, this has all been invalidated, this little trend here that I was hoping we were going to follow. And I think what's caused this, it's not, I don't think it has anything to do with Forex and the delay again of the animal farm. It's not looking good overall in the markets. I mean, this is the S&P 500. You take a look. I mean, starting off the day, not great. This is down. Okay, I do think we'd see a little bit of a bounce here. The RSI is really oversold. You come over to the DXY, which is the US dollar currency index, and this is an indicator. I don't use this one a ton, but I mean, it can paint a little bit of a picture in terms of overall global markets. And I think we could be heading into some tough times here. If you take a look at where we're at here, so this is basically the weekly time frame here. So each one of these candles represents a week, and the way this indicator kind of works, just in terms of how I've seen it relate with Bitcoin, is when the DXY is going down, Bitcoin tends to shoot up. When it's going up, we've seen, so basically, like right here, we hit this, okay, and this was kind of that start of that 2017 bull run, right? And then shot up to here, and then this was right after the flu dump. and we saw when we hit those all-time highs, shot down here, right? So this is 2020, right? And now we've obviously been going up because we've been in a bit of a bear trend, for quite a while now. Now what we got coming in here is a triple top, which could be indicating a reversal, come down to like one of these, which would be really good. This could be a sign that we're getting ready to go on another bull run. And we got the double bottom here, right? But the triple top, obviously it can work the other way as well, and we start getting, if it goes up like this, then I think Bitcoin is going to be kind of falling off the table here. So this is definitely something to kind of take a look at. We come over to Bitcoin, and I mean, look, this is the range that we've been in for a little bit now, right? It's just been kind of going up and down on this. We could have a little reversal happening, right? It could be hitting this, right? And then we kind of come back and do one of these. I mean, that's very possible. But if it breaks this 39 area, I mean, I do think we're going to get, if it breaks this right here, I think we are going to get a push down, right? And I think we could hit around 36,000. Now, real quick, I realized, why am I talking about all this? Okay, why am I talking about Bitcoin? Why am I talking about the market? This is a channel about drip. Well, as I'm sure all of you, or majority of you, realize that Bitcoin, right, in terms of cryptocurrency and anything in crypto, Bitcoin affects everything, right? So what Bitcoin does affect everything. Is that 100% the case? No, there are times where when Bitcoin is tanking and there are some cryptos that actually start flying. And we even saw that with Drip back in December, right? Bitcoin was heading in the toilet and Drip just was this nice glide upwards. But the overall crypto markets, Bitcoin, does affect BNB. BNB does affect Drip. So there is a little bit of a correlation here, right? So, look, if you're pretty much, your wallet is coming close to maxing out and you're looking, all you can really do is claim and you can't compound anymore. I mean, I feel bad, right? Like I feel bad that it's happening right now because, as you can see, the price is at a low, and this could be the actual new low for Drip. So if you have a fully maxed out wallet and all you can do is claim, you can no longer compound, heart's with you, man. Like, if you're in the phase of accumulation and this is strictly just about compounding, then you're in luck, because it doesn't really matter what the price is doing, right? All that matters is that you're compounding the amount of Drip deposits you have. Okay. So, keep that in mind. Now, going back to Bitcoin, because I want to show you guys something. This is the 200 weekly moving average here. All right, this line. So if we just go back, let's go back to the beginning. Right, we got to really widen this out here. All right. So this is going back to basically July 2015. Okay. Again, this is that 200 weekly moving average. And, you see a pump here, comes back down, touches this 200 weekly moving average. All right. And then we had this big run up. Hang on a second. Let me move myself here because I know I'm in the way, as always. Okay. We have this nice run up here. This is back. Okay. And we really start breaking away. So 2017 comes, and I mean, look at this. This is huge. Coming up. We're coming up. We hit this huge. Coming up, we hit this huge. Remember this? This is when we hit that $20,000, right? And then started the bear market, right? So this is that 2017 bull run. And then we go into the bear market, coming down. And then right around here, we had gone from 20,000 down to sub 4,000, and we touched the 200, right? So this is that 200 weekly moving average, right? And once we touch it, we go up a little bit, come down, we kiss it, we give it a kiss again, right? And then we start going. And this was the last time we had hit it, right? Which was right here, which was, I mean, this was a little bit of a black swan event, right? Because this is when COVID broke out. But clearly after the big bull run here, we came back to touch it here, right? So this was that 2017 bull run. We came back here, touched it again, and then we've taken off to the races. We've gone, right? And here's where we are now. So I'm bringing this up because it's not completely out of the question that we do need to come back down here. You know what I mean? And give this a quick kiss again, right? I mean, that's a possibility. And basically, if it were to come, if we were to go as low as this 36 area here, and we crack below it again, you have then 34, you have then 32. Now you're getting down to the 29, 28. Okay. And then this 200 is at that $20,000 Bitcoin. Okay. Look, it's possible that that is where it needs to capitulate to. And once it capitulates, we're off to the races. I mean, if you believe in crypto and you believe in Bitcoin, don't be surprised if this happens. Okay, that very well may happen. I believe Bitcoin is going to be, $500,000 in the next, 5-10 years, maybe more. Okay, $100,000 Bitcoin is going to be, our new low, our new bottom, our new floor price at some point. But we just got to get through a lot of the leverage that's out there. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this chart again and just kind of go over it, but we come back over to the drip chart. Maybe this is something that does need to happen. It would align up that hopefully the 30 holds. It's possible, that the mid 20s are where we're at. I can tell you what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to think about it for a little bit because I do have some money on the sidelines that I was going to be using for the animal farm. And not to say that I'm not going to participate in the animal farm. I'm already in the animal farm, but I was going to load up in the piggy bank. I think I might change direction here because of this price action. And I might just load up as much as I can into the Faucet. And, I may do like a buy here, like now, and then I may do one if we get down into the mid 20s. So because I think this is an opportunity. I don't see drip, hanging out down here forever. And certainly this could be very much our floor prices, and we won't ever see this again. So that's where I'm thinking. I mean, I'm, because I'm nowhere near close to maxing out my wallet, I'm fine with this price. And I think it's going to kind of bounce around in here for, a little while now before we start to move. So again, if you're consolidating, I know it's more fun when the price is going up. I get excited too. And it does get a little like worrisome when the price is kind of coming down here, but it's not necessarily a sign of drip or anything wrong with the protocol or anything to do with that. And I think it has a lot more to do overall with the global markets and in particular with Bitcoin. Keep an eye on this. Now, it's possible that this is the bottom. It's never going to come below this. And we're just going to start, do one of these and off to the next leg up. And if that happens, great. I think we're going to see a reversal in the drip price very soon. If that doesn't happen and we have to capitulate down further, then I think there's going to be some volatility on every crypto, and drip's going to be one of them. So keep that in mind. Opportunity time here. Now's the time to, in my opinion, what I plan to do, this is not financial advice. You got to do your own research, but what I plan to do is if we are going to be basically consolidating at these levels, I'm going to be buying more drip and putting into the Faucet because I'm thinking about 6 months to 1 year from now where I think we're going to be and how much deposits I want to be earning 1% on. And that's what I'm thinking in my mind. So anyway, folks, if you got anything out of this, please hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about my overall analysis of what's going on here. And I'll make sure to get another video out probably today to kind of recap some of this. I'm doing this a little bit in a rush just because I have to go somewhere. So I just wanted to kind of get this out as soon as I could. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.